Welcome to this 11 Plus Spatial Reasoning Challenge. Today, we are mastering nets and cubes. We will learn how to fold a flat, two-dimensional net into a three-dimensional cube. Let's look at question 1. We need to find which folded cube can be made from this net. A common mistake is to try to mentally fold the entire net in your head all at once, which is super hard. Instead, let's use the opposite faces rule. In any net, faces that are separated by exactly one square are opposites. When folded, opposite faces will be on the opposite sides of the cube, so they can never be seen at the same time. In our net, let's find the opposites. The left and right arms, the diamond and the square, are opposites. The circle and the triangle are opposites. And the cross and the star are opposites. Now, we can eliminate any option that shows opposites touching. Option A shows the diamond and the square next to each other. Since they are opposites, option A is incorrect. Option B shows the circle and the triangle touching, which is impossible. Option C shows the cross and the star touching, so it is incorrect. Option E also shows the cross and the star touching. That leaves us with option D. It has the circle, the cross, and the diamond. None of these are opposites. So option D is our correct answer. To find out exactly what your child really needs to focus on, why not try our free adaptive diagnostic test? Click the link in the description below. Let's tackle question 2. Here we have directional shapes like arrows and diagonal lines. Let's look at the options. First, we check for opposites. We see that the cross and the square are opposites. Option E shows them touching, so we can cross out option E immediately. For the remaining options, we must use the orientation rule to check the relative positions of the shapes. Look at the arrow. In the flat net, the arrow points upwards, away from the cross. In option A, the arrow points directly towards the cross, which is incorrect, so we eliminate option A. Now look at option D. Look at the dot relative to the cross and the triangle. In the flat net, looking from the cross to the triangle, the dot is on the right-hand side. But in option D, the dot is on the left-hand side, so the dot is on the wrong side of the other shapes. Thus, option D is incorrect. What about option B? Let's check the diagonal line relative to the cross and the arrow. In the flat net, looking from the cross to the arrow, the line is on the right-hand side. But, in option B, the line is on the left-hand side, so it is on the wrong side of the other shapes. Additionally, the line runs in the wrong direction, so option B is incorrect. This leaves us with option C. The arrow points away from the cross, the diagonal line is on the correct side, and no opposites touch. Option C is our correct answer. Finally, let's solve question 3. This is a very challenging exam-style question where we must use the corner touch rule. Let's look at the net. The circle, the diamond, and the star meet at a single corner point in the top left of the star. When the net is folded, this corner becomes a single vertex, where these three faces meet. Let's use opposites to eliminate first. Option A has the circle and the triangle, which are opposites. Option B has the diamond and the cross, which are opposites. And option E has the triangle and the circle, which are opposites. This leaves us with option C and D. Both show the circle, the star, and the diamond. But look at how they touch at the corner. In the flat net, the top vertex of the star points straight up towards the circle. In option C, the star has been rotated, so its top vertex points towards the diamond instead of the circle. This corner connection is wrong. In option D, however, the star points directly towards the circle, and the diamond meets them at the correct shared vertex. This is a perfect match. Option D is our correct answer. Remember these 3 simple rules for nets and cubes questions. Use the opposites rule to eliminate wrong options first. Then use orientation and corner touch rules to confirm the correct answer. With these techniques, you will ace your 11 plus spatial reasoning test in no time. Good luck!